superhero.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing, and to see what's inside the box, please see the whole video. So this box came from Zana International, which is in Delhi, Karol Bagh, and inside this box we get a backrest, which is for Bajaj Dominar 400. So actually the parcel is wrapped very neatly, and it is taking a bit of time to unbox this from one hand, so I will see you once the backrest is out of the box. So finally the backrest is out, and now I will unwrap this plastic. So it will take some time, so let me first take this out of the plastic. Guys, this is the backrest, and it looks good. The quality is nice, the padding is nice. You can see guys, the padding is really nice. So I will keep that aside, and these are the nuts and bolts you get. So these are the nuts and bolts which you get from the Zana. And guys, seriously, this really looks good, and these are the two holes. So the padding is really nice. This is ultra comfort. So guys, I will see you on the bike now. So this is my Dominar 400. This is a 2017 model. Actually I have changed the panels to the 2019, the UG one. It's a bit dusty, so now we will see where the backrest will be installed. So these are the two holes. Let me clean it. These are the two holes where the backrest will be installed. So this is the backrest, the Zana Backrest. So you can see two holes. These are the two rubber washers, the steel washers and the nuts. So these two rubber washers will be placed at these two holes which you get on the top rack, and then we will place the nuts into those steel washers. Let me insert it. So these nuts will go inside those holes which you get in this Zana backrest. So we will place the Zana backrest on those rubber washers, and then we will insert the nuts with steel washers. So this is good now. So as you can see, I have tightened one of the bolts, and please don't tighten it fully, keep it loose, and once you place the two screws onto the holes, then tighten it fully. So we will see the angle, then I will tighten with 8 mm what is called this I don't actually know the name of, I don't remember the name of this, Allen key. Yes. So we will tighten with Allen key. So as you can see, I have tightened the backrest completely, and it is now installed, and it looks good, and you can see the lean angle is good, so the pillion will have a good support behind. So guys, this was the video. If you like this video, please share this with your friends and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.